Adi Ricardo, natanggap mo ba ang babae ito upang maging asawa? Mamuhay ng masagana ayon sa tinagda ng banal na matrimonyo? Siya ba ay iyong ibigin? Alimin, galang, at ingatan sa sakit at sa kalusugan, at tanging sa Kanya kalamang titisan habang kayo'y nabubuhay.
Opo.
Ikaw, Maria Dulce Bayo, tinatanggap mo ba ang lalaking ito upang maging asawa? Mamuhay na masagana ayon sa itinagda ng banal na matrimonyo? Siya ba ay iyong ibigin, alimin, galang at ingatan sa sakit at sa kalusugan, at tanging lang Kanya lang ipisan habang kayo'y dalawa'y nabubuhay?
Opo, Pastor.
There's no combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. A song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. Our dreams, they matter, were real things like shoebox of photographs. We say we eternal loving. Love is the answer, release from most of the questions in my heart. Like, why are we here? Where do we go? When I'm coming so hard. It's not always easy, and sometimes I can be deceiving. I tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we look at the stars when we're together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together.
These moments find their way into my dreams tonight, but I know that they'll be gone when the morning light sings and brings new things. But tomorrow night you see that they'll be gone soon. So many things I have to do. All these dreams will find their way to my day-to-day scene. I'll be under the impression of somewhere in between, with only two, it's me and you. Many things we got to do, place we got to be, and sit beneath the mango tree now.
Yeah, it's always better when we're together.
We're somewhere in between together.
Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together.
How even memories, they look so